Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix in Instagram replay, edit, forward, add sticker or pin option not showing problem or missing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Go to profile picture. Click on three line. Scroll down. Click on help. Again click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Again tap on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram message section, replay, edit, forward, add sticker or pin option not showing problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 2. Long page or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram replay, edit, forward, add sticker or pin option not showing. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.